Our atmosphere contains industrial chemicals that would not exist at the same levels without technology. The night side glows with artificial light. Radar beams leave the planet. Satellites surround Earth. Large solar arrays, cities, mines, and transportation networks alter the surface. But here is the humbling part. Most of these signs would be extremely difficult to detect from interstellar distances. Our ordinary radio leakage weakens as it spreads. Many modern communications use lower power, narrow beams, fiber optic cables, and satellites rather than blasting strong signals into space. From far away, Earth may not look like a loud beacon. It may look like a barely detectable planet that became noisy for a short time and then learned to whisper. This creates another possible solution to the Fermi paradox. Advanced civilizations may become harder to detect as their technology improves. Our imagination often moves in the opposite direction. We picture older societies using more energy, building larger machines, and announcing themselves across the galaxy. But technological progress can also mean efficiency. A mature civilization may waste less energy. Its communication may be tightly directed. Its computers may be small. Its population may stabilize. Its activity may move underground, underwater, into virtual environments, or into compact habitats where little escapes. A society that can control its energy perfectly may produce fewer visible signatures than a young industrial planet. There is also the problem of assumptions. SETI often looks for signals that we know how to recognize as artificial. A narrow radio tone is interesting because natural cosmic sources usually do not produce extremely narrow, stable transmissions. But an alien technology is not required to resemble ours. A scientist living before radio could not have designed a radio search. A civilization thousands or millions of years beyond us may use physical processes we currently classify as background noise. We might already possess data containing a technosignature and lack the concept needed to recognize it. This is not a claim that every unexplained astronomical observation is alien. Unexplained means unexplained. History gives us many examples of strange signals that eventually received natural or human explanations. Pulsars were once jokingly labeled little green men because their radio pulses were so regular. They turned out to be rapidly rotating neutron stars. Fast radio bursts were mysterious for years. Many are now associated with extreme magnetic objects and energetic cosmic environments, although research continues. The famous WOW signal detected in 1977 remains interesting because it was strong and narrowband, but it was never repeated, and no confirmed extraterrestrial origin has been established. Scientific caution is not a refusal to consider aliens. It is the method that prevents us from calling every mystery a discovery. A true detection would need to survive repeated observation, independent confirmation, equipment checks, interference analysis, and every plausible natural explanation. The first convincing sign of alien technology may not look dramatic. It may begin as a strange line in a dataset, a signal that repeats, a chemical imbalance that should not be stable, a pattern in starlight that refuses to disappear. Weeks or months may pass before scientists understand what they are seeing, and even then, the discovery may not be a message. It may be evidence that someone existed, a technological fossil crossing the galaxy long after its creators are gone. Space is not only large, it is separated by time.